This video chart presentation of Atossa Genetics Inc. Atossa trades on the NASDAQ exchange under ticker ATOS. You can see the stock suffered a pretty sharp fall back in October, sinking from up over top of $5 all the way down to just below $2. Since those lows of around $1.75, stocks moved upward steadily, including nearly doubling over top of $3, but importantly for this analysis, holding a strong support level right around $2.20. Stocks hit that level several times in the last couple months, keeps bouncing back off of it. Pretty nice move each time to up near $3 again. And with the move upward on Wednesday of 11%, the chart looks like it's going to try and make a move again off of this base. So we want to keep an eye on it going forward to see if indeed that support level is going to hold, and if the third time is going to be the charm for it to try and break through and hold above $3 a share. And I've got the MACD just trending right around zero. Pretty neutral reading, but you can see the histogram bars are popping back above the zero mark, telling us that a bullish cross is happening in the 12 passing through the 26 EMA. And with that, we'll look for a continued uptrend in the MACD, something along those lines, to solidify a bullish trend and move off of this bottom. Not getting a great deal from the slow stow at this point. Of course, by definition, it's not a fast mover, but it is coming off the bottom, indicating that some momentum is building in the chart. And what we'll look for is something similar to through here, for the slow stow to move through 50 and hold the upper half of the indicator to show sustained momentum in the chart. This is actually not a bad look to the money flow index, although it is just now breaking back down through 50. You can see a 49.8. It's not a terrible concern unless it weakens even more. But with the move off support, it's very possible that the MFI is going to climb back upward again and show at the current price is once again trending above 14-day averages. Relative strength index, the 14 is registering a 55. Just like the other indicators, that's what we look for. Want to see it trending and holding over top of 50 to indicate strengthening momentum in the chart. And I'd say that momentum sitting right through there is about to be expected. Stock has slipped back from these recent highs to sit on top of that support. So at this point, the momentum is relatively neutral. In general, those three indicators are actually sitting pretty neutral, but appear to be leaning towards the bullish side of things. Now, what's most important for me is going to be that support level at $2.20. See, it's held very firm over the last 2 months, since pushing through that level in mid-November, when it was actually serving as a little bit of resistance. I do realize there's more support down here, around $1.75 at the bottom, but if it falls through $2.20, especially if there's an increase in volume, the odds are pretty strong it's going to drop through that bottom and make a new low. So right now I want to stay focused on 220 because there's not a lot of resistance in sight until back up near this $3 range, which that's more than 20% upside from Wednesday's closing price. And that move upward on Wednesday actually came with a slight increase in volume to 633,000 shares traded, which was the best volume in nearly a month for the chart, and suggests that people are seeing it as a buying opportunity coming off that support level. So as such, I look for volume to stay strong, especially if the stock price approaches this $3 mark, because ideally to validate strength in the chart, I'd like to see a big volume day to blow through a strong resistance point such as that. Moving forward, if it does break through that, still a large gap to fill up to around $5, but it's going to have to fight through some resistance around the $4 mark before it's even a consideration to try and fill that gap. And as always, we're not looking for the stock to double in one day. We're looking at it from a technical perspective, sitting on a strong support point with a nice upside to resistance and potential breakout of what can be considered a multiple bottom pattern. So those are things that we'll have our eyes on the ATOS chart in the coming days. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. And do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.